Hi Anisha, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. How are you, Julie?
I am very well. Anisha is joining us from Ahmedabad, Gujarat, India. She is an image consultant. Welcome, Anisha.
Hi.
So, Anisha, tell us how did you get where you are today and who or what helped you in your journey?
Actually, this is just the beginning of my career. Started little late, but I feel being late is better than not doing anything. So when my daughter, she was in 12th, I decided that I need to do something for myself.
Okay.
What would I do when she goes abroad for her studies?
Okay.
We are a nuclear family. So, and I wanted to do really, I was free and I wanted to do something.
Okay.
Finally, I decided to join this course and start work from home.
Okay.
And today I am a certified image consultant.
All right. So, when you started your image consultancy business, what was your biggest challenge, Anisha?
Actually, there were a lot of challenges, but the biggest challenge I faced was how would I establish myself? Where would I start from? How would I make people aware about it also?
Okay.
So there were a lot of things which came across.
Okay.
So what I did was I started with few workshops.
Okay.
I started doing dining etiquette workshops. I met a lot of people at that time. I did workshop with kids.
Okay.
But people believe that dining etiquette workshops is mostly for kids. But I feel it's not only for kids. It's for everyone.
Okay.
Say even when a person goes for a business meeting, say business lunch or dinner, it would help them also. Even the teenagers,
Okay.
they can impress each other when they go out for lunch or dinner.
Okay.
And even the homemakers, they can definitely arrange their tables also when they have parties or guests coming at home.
Okay.
And of course, the kids will learn. When they see the parents also doing the same thing, they will definitely pick up fast. So each and everyone requires dining etiquette.
Okay. So Anisha, basically women almost everywhere has additional expectation of handling home too. And I'm sure that you had your set of challenges when you were working from home. So how did you handle it? What did your spouse or your family, extended family, immediate family, being in Indian culture, the expectations from a woman are much more than I think a lot of other Western cultures in the world. So, do you want to talk about that a little bit?
I feel each and every woman has to balance, the work life and their home life.
Okay.
Yeah. And for me, it was little easier because I had flexibility of timings.
Okay.
And I had staff also who could manage, plus the family support was also there.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So was able to cope up well with both the places, at both the places.
So, do you have a mentor or someone you look up to, Anisha?
Actually, I look up to all my senior image consultants who have established themselves very well and they are very successful in life.
Okay.
And they really motivate me to do something for myself. I'm sure it's going to take it's a long journey and it's going to take a lot of time.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell us, Anisha, is there any particular mentor you really follow or you look up to in your life?
There are many image consultants like whom I follow.
Okay.
Yeah. So not any particular name I would like to give, but there are a lot of them.
So Anisha, tell us what would you tell the next generation of women entrepreneurs who want to pursue this career?
I would say that they should definitely follow their passion.
Yeah.
Because that's going to, take them where they want to go.
Yeah.
And they have to be, the confidence has to be there.
Yeah.
So it's going to help them in their personal life as well as professional life. And I feel they have to have financial independence also, so they don't have to depend upon anybody else.
Okay. So,
And lastly, I would say that, of course, create your own identity.
yeah, so what you're trying to say is that basically believe in yourself and
Yeah,
forward. And
believe in yourself and follow your passion.
so that is your advice to young girls.
Yeah, yeah.
So quickly, can we talk about your future plans? What do you see, or where do you see yourself next?
Actually, I feel that I want to start with one-on-one consultations and want to take few more workshops with the adults also on different topics. It's not only that I take only dining etiquette, but would like to conduct a lot of other sessions.
Okay.
And would like to help other women also to uplift themselves.
Okay.
Even social service.
Okay, Anisha, tell us, have you done any workshops for, voluntary workshops where you felt that you want to give back to the society?
Yeah, actually, once I had just taken a voluntary workshop with the senior citizens,
Okay.
and I really enjoyed doing that workshop. And I felt that I should keep on doing more and more workshops like this.
So, do you think that would you be interested in empowering girls in general, and would you like to do workshops voluntarily for them for their confidence building?
Definitely.
Okay, thank you so much, Anisha, for being here. We will have Anisha's description in the description below the video. If you've not subscribed to my channel and if you're new, please do subscribe. We have amazing women like Anisha coming on this platform on a regular basis. Thank you so much for taking out time, Anisha, and being here on this platform.
Thank you so much, Julie.